Hello, everybody. This is Ellen with Let's Learn Languages at Home. Are you thinking about taking the Toeic exam? It's very popular around the world, and the results are used for recruiting by companies and for visas to some countries. The score really looks good on a CV. It's important to prepare for the test, however. The best place to start preparing for the TOEIC exam is to take a mini test. This is the official TOEIC mini test. It's shorter, about 1 hour compared to the 2 hour official version, and it's the updated version of the test for 2018. So, why not? Give it a try. You just need 1 hour. You will need to download the PDF of the mini test booklet. Find the link in the description below. Pause the video while you download and print the PDF of the test booklet and the separate answer sheet. The answers are included in the PDF, so don't peek. Are you ready? Here we go with the listening.
Listening test. In the listening test, you will be asked to demonstrate how well you understand spoken English. The entire listening test will last approximately 45 minutes. There are 4 parts, and directions are given for each part. You must mark your answers on the separate answer sheet. Do not write your answers in your test book. Part 1. Directions. For each question in this part, you will hear 4 statements about a picture in your test book. When you hear the statements, you must select the one statement that best describes what you see in the picture. Then, find the number of the question on your answer sheet and mark your answer. The statements will not be printed in your test book and will be spoken only one time. Look at the example item below. Now, listen to the 4 statements. A.
They're moving some furniture.
B.
They're entering a meeting room.
C.
They're sitting at a table.
D.
They're cleaning the carpet.
Statement C
They're sitting at a table.
is the best description of the picture, so you should select answer C and mark it on your answer sheet. Now, part 1 will begin. Number 1. Look at the picture marked number 1 in your test book. A.
He's shoveling some soil.
B.
He's moving a wheelbarrow.
C.
He's cutting some grass.
D.
He's planting a tree.
Number 2. Look at the picture marked number 2 in your test book. A.
A woman is putting on a pair of shoes.
B.
A woman is dusting a television screen.
C.
A woman is watching television.
D.
A woman is plugging a power cord into an outlet.
Go on to the next page. Part 2. Directions. You will hear a question or statement and 3 responses spoken in English. They will not be printed in your test book and will be spoken only one time. Select the best response to the question or statement and mark the letter A, B, or C on your answer sheet. Now, let us begin with question number 7. Number 7.
Where's the new fax machine?
A.
Next to the water fountain.
B.
I'll send a fax tomorrow.
C.
By Wednesday.
Number 8.
How well does Thomas play the violin?
A.
Sure, I really like it.
B.
Oh, he's a professional.
C.
I'll turn down the volume.
Number 9.
Martin, are you driving to the client meeting?
A.
Oh, would you like a ride?
B.
Nice to meet you too.
C.
I thought it went well.
Number 10.
Mariko announced that she's retiring in April.
A.
How many did you count?
B.
I'm not tired at all.
C.
Right, she's been here 25 years.
Part 3. Directions. You will hear some conversations between 2 or more people. You will be asked to answer 3 questions about what the speakers say in each conversation. Select the best response to each question and mark the letter A, B, C, or D on your answer sheet. The conversations will not be printed in your test book and will be spoken only one time. Questions 32 through 34 refer to the following conversation.
Hello, I'm calling about a coffee machine I purchased from your website. It stopped working even though I haven't had it for very long. I expected it to last much longer than this.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. Our warranty covers products for up to a year. Do you know when you bought it?
I've had it for a little over a year, so the warranty is probably just expired. This is so disappointing.
Well, I'll tell you what we can do. Although we can't replace it, since you're a valued customer, I can offer you a coupon for 40% off your next purchase.
Number 32. Why is the woman calling? Number 33. What does the man ask the woman about? Number 34. What does the man offer to do? Questions 35 through 37 refer to the following conversation.
Oh, hi, Yolanda. I'm surprised to see you at the front desk this late. Don't you usually work at the hotel in the morning?
Actually, I'm going to be working the evening shift for a while. I'm covering for a front desk supervisor who was just promoted, but only until the hotel hires a permanent replacement.
Oh, so there's a front desk supervisor position open. I've been looking for a chance to take on a managerial role. Are they still accepting applications?
Yes, and if you don't mind working evening hours, I think you have a good chance at the job. I'd contact the manager right now, though. She's starting interviews this week.
Number 35. Where do the speakers work? Number 36. What does the man ask about? Number 37. What does the woman say the man should be prepared to do? Go on to the next page. Questions 38 through 40 refer to the following conversation with 3 speakers.
Have you two taken a look at the progress they've made upstairs on the office expansion? It looks great.
I know. I can't believe it. And the offices up there have amazing views of the city.
I wonder which division will move up there when it's finished.
I heard it's the research department.
Ah, because they have the most people.
Probably. I'd love to have an office on that floor, though.
Yeah. Well, the company must be making good money if they're adding that space.
I think you're right there.
Number 38. What is the conversation mainly about? Number 39. Why does the woman say,
I can't believe it.
Number 40. What do the men imply about the company? Questions 41 through 43 refer to the following conversation and list.
Larry, we have a new graphic designer starting next month, and we'll need to set her up with a laptop and extra monitor. Can you place orders for those?
Sure. You know our vendor has raised their prices, right?
Really?
Yes, I just looked at the catalog a few minutes ago, and their current models are more expensive.
Right. Well, our budget per work area is $1,000 maximum, so let's order the system with the largest screen that falls within that price.
Okay, I'll take a look at the prices again and place the order.
Number 41. What does the woman ask the man to do? Number 42. What problem does the man mention? Number 43. Look at the graphic. What size screen will the man order? Part 4. Directions. You will hear some talks given by a single speaker. You will be asked to answer 3 questions about what the speaker says in each talk. Select the best response to each question and mark the letter A, B, C, or D on your answer sheet. The talks will not be printed in your test book and will be spoken only one time. Questions 71 through 73 refer to the following telephone message.
Hello, Mr. Lee. This is Thomas from BKS Auto Shop calling with some information about your car repair. I know we told you that it would take until next week to get the part we ordered, but we got the part early, and I was able to finish the repair. We're going to be closing for the day in a few minutes, but you're welcome to come get your car anytime tomorrow. If you need a ride to the shop tomorrow, let me know, and I can arrange one for you.
Number 71. What does the speaker say about the repair? Number 72. When can the listener pick up his car? Number 73. What does the speaker offer to do? Questions 74 through 76 refer to the following talk.
Okay, before you start serving food, I want to let you know that the restaurant is a bit understaffed tonight. Tamara called me this afternoon to let me know that she has a cold. So I'm asking each of you to be in charge of 1 extra table tonight. Please also remember to tell each table of guests about our new menu special. It's a rice dish with assorted grilled vegetables. I think it'll be very popular because many of our customers have been asking for more vegetarian options. That's all for tonight.
Number 74. What kind of business does the speaker work for? Number 75. Why does the speaker assign extra work to the listeners? Number 76. What does the speaker ask listeners to tell customers about? Go on to the next page. Questions 77 through 79 refer to the following excerpt from a meeting.
So I called this meeting to discuss our contract with Torland Advertising and to decide whether we should continue to use them to develop our radio advertising materials. I had a discussion with their people yesterday, and I have to say I'm a little concerned. They seem much more focused on cutting their costs than they are on providing good quality advertising for us. Here's the thing. If we decide to end this business relationship, we'll need to pay them for anything they've already developed. Please take a minute to look at this contract with me. You'll see that's part of the agreement we made.
Number 77. What bothers the man about Torland Advertising? Number 78. What does the man mean when he says,
Here's the thing.
Number 79. What are the listeners asked to look at? Questions 80 through 82 refer to the following talk and program.
We're happy to see you all at this seminar this afternoon. We have a lot of useful information to cover. But before we start, a few administrative details. There will be one break halfway through the afternoon. You can leave your laptops here if you leave the room. There will always be someone in here, but do keep your money and phones or other small electronic devices with you. Don't leave them at the tables. And please note that there's an error in your printed program. There will be a switch, in times for the last two presenters. Ms. Ota has to leave a little early today.
Number 80. Where most likely is the speaker? Number 81. What are listeners asked to do? Number 82. Look at the graphic. Who will be the final presenter? This is the end of the listening test. Turn to Part 5 in your test book. End of recording.
How did it go? The listening usually goes fast for students. Now you are ready to start the reading section. Set a timer for 40 minutes. Work as quickly as you can on sections 5 and 6 because section 7 is reading comprehension and will take more time. Find the correct answers at the end of the PDF. Hopefully you will have 80% correct. That would be around a score of 785 points. I'd love to hear about your score in the comments below. If you don't understand some answers, just give the number of the question to me in the comments and I'll explain the answer to you. Okay, start the reading section. See you later in the comments.